3 July 2024. Today's topic is Object Oriented Programming Language. OOPS is a stand for Object Oriented Programming Language. The main aim of Object Oriented Programming Language is implement the real time entities. Everything in Java is an object. There are seven basic concepts of object oriented programming language, such as a class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Class and object are the basic concepts of object oriented programming language, which revolves around the real world entities. First is a class. Class is a collection of objects. It is also known as the blueprints. Class is it contains the logical entity. It contains the logical entity. Class does not consume any space. In class we can use the method, constructor, and fields. Second is object is the instance of class. In object oriented programming language, we can design a program using the class and object. A class and object. In object is a logical as well as physical entity. An entity that has a state, behavior, and identify. It is also known as a object. Third is the inheritance. When inheritance is a mechanism which acquires all the properties and behaviors. Parent class inherits the child class. It's known as the inheritance. There are five types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. First is the single inheritance. Inheritance, in one class inherits the one parent class inherits the child class, is known as a single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, it the it inherits the it inherits the chain of inheritance, is known as a multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, it is there is a one parent class inherits the two or more child class, is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Fourth is a hybrid inheritance. It is a combination of two another inheritance, is known as a hybrid inheritance. And fifth is a multiple inheritance. There is a not supported in Java. Next is a polymorphism. Polymorphism is a polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept of object-oriented programming language. In polymorphism we can perform single task in different ways. There are two types of polymorphism. First is the compile time and second is the runtime. Compile time is also known as the static method and method overloading. And second is the runtime. There is also known as a dynamic method and method overriding. Method overloading. In method overloading, the ability to perform more than one task is known as the method overloading. Method overriding. In method overriding, use the method of parent class to subclass, is known as the method overriding. Next is the encapsulation. Binding and wrapping the code and data in single unit, is known as a encapsulation. In the example of encapsulation in real-time entities is a capsule capsule. Next is the abstraction. Abstraction is a concept of object-oriented programming language. Abstraction is a process to hiding the implementation details and showing the in functionality to user. Abstraction function is declared as a